In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update information for a pay period. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Pay Periods. From the list on the left, select a pay period you would like to update data information for. I'll go ahead and leave it on this February 4th entry. Right now under data, I currently have 39 timesheets. If I've added more timesheets since then, I might want to click Add. Now you can see I have 235 timesheets added to this pay period. After I've done that, I might also want to update the names, making sure that everything on there is correct. So I'll click Update Names, and TeamWork 5 will do that. If I want to start over and don't want to add any timesheets yet, I can click Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete all timesheets from this pay period. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now those timesheets have been removed. If I want to add them back, all I have to do is click Add again. And now those timesheets are back. That's how you can update your pay period information in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to add a time project.